Hi, good afternoon. My name is Daniel Santiago Londono Uribe. I have 35 years old. I am married. I am responsible. Um, I live I live in Medellin, Colombia. And for this activity, I select description A. I select the object, the people, and things. Okay, one, my house has 3 rooms. My son has its smaller than her sister. The master room is bigger than my daughter. Two, my yard has 2 trees. Tree mango is more tall than orange. Three, my son Santiago is more handsome than me. Four, when I am with my family, I am happier than I am alone. 5. Breakfast with pizza is worse than arepa. 6. My wife cooks tastier than restaurant. Thank you.